about ICT.
and ICT.
I believe you have heard about this word ICT so many times as played in the several clips earlier. And you might be wondering, what really is this ICT all about? Well, your wondering and worry is about to come to an end because this is exactly what we are about to explore in this week 7's topic called Information and Communication Technology ICT. So what is ICT? Of course, from the name of the topic, you already know that the full acronym of ICT is Information and Communication Technology. And this ICT refers to all the digital products that are used to gather, manipulate or process, analyze, use, and exchange information. If you look at the phrase information communication technology, you will see that it has three distinct words: information, communication, and technology. And remember, we have learned earlier that information is processed data. Communication simply means exchanging information. That is, when somebody speaks to you and you speak back to the person, you have just communicated, and that means you have exchanged information. Technology in this sense refers to all the digital products used to gather, process, and exchange information, showing you where communication comes in. This is just a very brief breakdown of the earlier definition of ICT. Good examples of digital products used to manipulate and exchange information are the very ones we looked at in modern method of transmitting information. Now, this modern method of transmitting information can be classified into two groups. We have the non-electronic method and the electronic method. For the non-electronic method, this is when information is communicated or transmitted without the use of electronic equipment or machines. Examples include newspapers, textbooks, speeches, handbills, etc. For electronic method, this is the use of electronic devices to transmit or exchange information. Good examples are television, radio, phones, and computers. Now let's look at the mode of receiving information, because these are what ICT gadgets engage in. Not only do they send information, they also receive information. Now, the first mode of receiving information include audio mode. This is when information is passed through sound. The sound may come through speaking, listening to music, or a recorded message. The information is not seen but heard. And of course, good examples can be your radio or using your mobile phones to call, or even orally speaking. Now, the next one is visual mode. This is where information is passed using images, pictures, charts, and diagrams. Information is received by seeing with the eyes. Examples include pictures, shapes, drawings, etc. And the final one, which is more or less the most robust of the methods of receiving information, is audiovisual. This is when information is passed using sight and sound. They come in video format, and examples of ICT gadgets that can pass this kind of information are televisions, computers, etc. This video method of transmitting information is currently what is in vogue in our modern times, especially in the World Wide Web. In the internet, video format information is ruling currently. Now, let's look at the evaluative questions for this lesson. Number 1, state the full meaning of the acronym ICT. Number 2, define ICT. Number 3, categorize the following gadgets into electronic and non-electronic method of transmitting information. A, newspaper. B, computer. C, textbooks. D, smartphone. Why do you think the audiovisual method of passing and receiving information is the most popular in our recent times? I'm moving to the personal evaluative question. Go and find out how voice data is transferred from one mobile phone to another mobile phone when a call is made. So thank you so much for completing this week 7's topic, and we are at the tail end of the work for first term computer studies JSS1. Well done, and see you in the next and final lesson. Bye.